sets off the explosions from here. But you won't be anywhere near them when they go off.
I won't?
Nope. Pam's your stunt double. But nobody will ever know it wasn't you.
You ride through the explosions?
Sure, but we've got a safety path worked out between the charges.
Still seems dangerous to me.
How about a kiss for luck?
All right.
Kimber! We need you!
Okay, coming!
Okay, all you gotta do is run toward Nick and jump on the bike. At this point, we send in the stunt doubles.
Hey, Roxy! Be careful of that bike.
Let me give you a real kiss for luck.
I've got all the luck I need.
Oh, yeah? And I hope it's all bad.